So, I just discovered this a couple of days ago, and I feel there's a need to share this with you because this is becoming a real menace. This is making a lot of people go berserk. Okay, this is why I'm going to be sharing this with you today. Okay, this is a new Pi scam currently going on. Now, for those of us who are a bit crypto savvy, I'm sure we are already aware of this, but I'm not sure a lot of us are really familiar with this kind of scam, because this scam I'm seeing right here is well executed. Okay, I'm going to play this video for you now so you can see what I'm talking about. Now listen, guys, listen very carefully and watch as I play this very video. Don't ever go here, please. So
Hello.
I'm going to explain to you what these guys did, right? Because this is a well executed scam, and if you're the type that is not really aware of stuff like this, you would actually fall. Now, this is what these guys did, right? This very guy or a group of people, I don't really know, but what this very person did is that he cloned his voice, because from the way the thing sounds, it's obvious it was cloned. This is a written script given to AI, and this guy probably cloned his voice with 11 Labs, or any AI voice cloning service, and he decided not to use an AI voice because he knows that if you use an AI's voice, it will reduce the credibility of this very video you're seeing right here. This is the reason he submitted a natural voice to the AI voice cloning service. When you hear this, you know that this is a natural voice, but the flow will tell you that this is actually the work of AI. This might probably not be his voice. This might be the voice of a random YouTuber online or just a random person, but trust me, this was actually cloned. I'm a YouTuber, so I know this for sure. And if you look at it very well, you see that these guys created a site where you would see 314 Pi.
That's it.
Immediately
Get 314 Pi now.
Get into the site, right? So this is a clear act of scam. Now this is very enticing, because if you look right here, guys, you see a timer right here. I don't know if a lot of us can see this, but you see a timer right here giving you this kind of urgency to go ahead and click on this button. Please, you see this URL at the top, please do not click on it. This is only for educational purpose, right? This URL at the top, if you take it to your browser, it will open up, but he decided to bring it to Pi browser so that you guys would actually try it out. And when you try it out, you'll be tempted to click the get 314 Pi now button. Like, who the heck gives you 314 Pi for free? Who does that? That's over $200 if I'm not mistaken. Who gives you $200 for free? Pi, of course, your hard-earned Pi. Who gives you $200 for free? What they did last was he probably sent 314 Pi. He probably scammed people into his wallet, making you feel like he actually got this from this very platform. When you press this very button, it's going to redirect you to this very page that actually looks like the Pi wallet. Look, this is not actually the Pi wallet site. This is false. This is a clone of the Pi wallet site. You can see he blurred his own passphrase, but he's asking you to put yours. And when you put yours, you're going to see this very notification that looks like you've gotten 314 Pi, but it's all a lie. It's all scam, because the moment you do that, your passphrase has been grabbed, and it's just going to be a matter of who has the fastest finger on the day your locked Pi is going to be unlocked. And you can see here 314 Pi sent to his wallet. It's all part of the script he's playing, right? It's all part of the trick, right? He just sent this from another wallet, probably spy his scam people, right? So this is what I want to bring to your notice today. Please avoid this, guys. Under no circumstance should you give your passphrase to anyone. The Pi core team would even tell you that not even them would ask you to give them your passphrase, okay? And if they do, then know that something is fishy. Please, I'll not ask you to give me your passphrase, right? So please do not ever expose your passphrase to anyone on any site that promises you free Pi once you enter. It's all a scam. Please, this is an important update I decided to bring to your notice today, right? I believe you must have been hearing this. We have not seen it. A lot of people have done this and lost out on thousands of Pi, which is very sad, right?
Good luck to you.
Scammers activity. So please pay attention and avoid this kind of temptation, because this is
now I log into my wallet to check.
Even for people that are crypto savvy, you'll be really tempted to try this out, only to try it out and discover it's a scam, right? So what I actually want you guys to do right now is to report this very video massively, okay? I'm going to leave the link to this very video in the description of this video, okay? You're going to see these two links. There are actually two videos, but I'm just using this as an example, and I'm still surprised that this video is still up here up until this very moment. Now if you go to the comment section right here, you can see that there are 794 comments right here, but if you click on it, you'd only see 2 comments, and that's because the owner of this page enabled auto delete for his page, okay? So whenever you drop anything like scam, fraud, or whatever, it's going to automatically be deleted, okay? That's why you don't see this. And I'm surprised that this guy has about 175 shares right here, 175 shares, and this is troubling because this is to tell you that a lot of people do not know about this. So make sure you share this video massively, okay, so that a lot of people will be informed about this. You know about this now, but a lot of people do not know about this, okay? Share this to your family, friends, brother, sister, anyone you feel this video might be helpful to, because now that you know about this, there are a lot of people that still don't know about this, okay? This 175 shares right here means a lot. Now if you don't know how to report this video, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All you have to do is to come over to this 3 dot icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. So once you click on it, you come over to this very place that says find support or report video. Click on it, and this is going to bring you to this very page. Now what you do is you select scam, fraud, or impersonation. So this is what you're meant to select. So once you click on scam, fraud, or impersonation, you either go with this very one that says fraud or scam, or suspicious link, okay? But I'm going to be going with the first one right here, which is fraud or scam. So I'm going to select this, and I'll see financial or identity scam. So we're going to select financial or identity scam, okay? So this is it. We are going to submit it right now by clicking on the blue submit button, and of course it says thanks for reporting this video. We click on next, and this video has been reported. So we're going to click done right now, right? So by so doing, this video has been reported. This is how you report this very video. So this is, guys, stay safe out there. So this is the update I decided to bring to your notice today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on for more updates, more tips, and more safety measures to take to protect your crypto assets. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.